Hi, I'm Jeff Cohn from Approved. I'm here at 1500 Carroll Street in Brooklyn, which is the building owned and operated by Achilles Real Estate Management. We were asked to install a new 60 horsepower boiler in replacement of the old leaky boiler that was here when the building was first purchased. We've upgraded the system now, and I'll show you what we've actually done. So the boiler room has been completely repainted, new lighting, everything well lit and organized, well marked. We have a heat timer tempering valve to produce hot water for the tenants upstairs. We have a industrial steam boiler, 60 horsepower, and the burner is a VLG model burner from industrial combustion. This one comes with a variable speed drive and an LMV control by Siemens. What that actually does is it improves the efficiency in the operation of the boiler. We installed a brand new gas train, and here is our vessel, complete with logo. The chimney has a brand new steel liner in it, and everything has been marked and ready to go. And this is our boiler project. Thank you.